today we're gonna unbox this mystery box from Juvia's Place. It's the Halloween mystery box. It has a price of $16 with a value of $58. Yep, $58. I just got it today in the mail. I don't know what it's inside. If you want to see what I received, just keep on watching. This is what the box looks inside. Let's see what it is. Okay, so we don't have a card describing the products, what I got. So let's see. So the first product is Dudu. It is Dudu Made. The Festival Liquid Lipstick Dudu. The word Dudu means black, and this black liquid lipstick glides and effortlessly and is expressive without needing to say a word. Okay, let's try this lipstick. Okay. Oh my god. I love it. It feels really nice. I have never tried Juvia's lipstick and it feels really nice. I really like it. This is the first time trying it. The second product is this. This is a highlighter. Oh, it's a really good size. It's really pretty. This is what it looks like. I already have some highlighter, but let's see. Wow. It's really pretty. Super pretty. And this is the packaging. Super pretty too. The next item is this. Is the Nubian Intensive Pencil Liner. Wow. This is the color, the swatch for this eyeliner. It's really pretty. I love it's so pigmented. I like it. Last but not least, we got these eyeshadow palette. It is the Festival by Juvias. Actually, I already have it because I love Juvias palettes. They are super pretty, super pigmented. I really enjoy their products. This is what it looks like. I'm not gonna open this one because I already have one. So I'm gonna save it for a future giveaway. I need someone else to open it. I'm not gonna open it. I already own a few of Juvia's products. They are very pigmented. I'm very happy with the quality. And I think this is a really good box. If you consider that it's only $16 and I got a highlighter, this eyeshadow palette, a lipstick, and I got an eyeliner that I don't know where it went. Okay, it's here. I put it in here. Well, it's a really good bundle for $16. I will suggest that you do it. Although I don't know if it's gonna be the same variation for everyone, but if you don't have any of these products, I think it's worth it. I'm very happy with this box. I had no idea what to expect or anything, but I'm very pleasant. If you have any comments on this box, just let me know below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so it'll let you know when I upload a new video. And I will talk to you later. Bye.